Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove or replace your push start button for any 2016 and up or Type R Honda Civic. The basic tools you're going to need is just a flathead and a Phillips screwdriver and anything to cover up the flathead when you're removing parts of the dash to avoid any scuffing. Alright, so you start off here on the very corner of your car on the dash and just start prying it off. Put some paper or something, or if you have those special dash removing clips or removers, that'd be great as well. So you just pop it off like so. Once you get that off, you just want to pull it back and twist. There you go. Twist to the left or right. And then next, what you want to get is the other side. Okay, once you have both sides removed, you can start removing your climate control. And all it really is just pulling. Get on there's a few tabs here on the bottom, and you just kind of tug it back, and it just pops up like so. It's up to you on whether you want to remove the plugs or not, but it is not necessary. So you just leave that like so. And as you can see on the bottom, there's two Phillips screws, one on the left and one on the right. You want to remove those as well. Once you have those two screws removed, you can start by removing your stereo. And all it is just pulling, just grabbing on one side, one on top, one on the bottom, and just start pushing back like so. For the other side, there you go. And you just pull back slightly. And there are two clips on the bottom. 1, 2. And if you want to have more room, you can remove by pressing up on the tab and pulling back. Like so. After that, you want to remove this little tab that's behind this blue wire. That little black tab right under back there. Once you remove the tab, you can pull your stereo as far back as possible to make some room. And you can pull out this little carbon fiber trim piece. Just grab it from the bottom and pull upwards, and it should pop right off. As well as push start climate. Just pull it back. I'm using my old push start button as a reference, but they're pretty much the same. Basically, all you do is once you get your hand beneath or behind the push start, you click on these tabs right here on the side. It has two tabs here. You press them both simultaneously and you push forward, and it should pop out. Behind, there's just a little wire that with a tab, and you just pull it out, and there you go. Once you remove the trim piece and pulled a little bit of this push start plastic part, you can pull this piece on the bottom of it. That way you have more room. It just pulls off like so. Easy does it. And you should be able to fit your finger underneath where the button is, and as well as on this side. And like I said, you just push the tabs in like so, should be able to have one hand underneath to reach the left side of the tab, and this side to reach the right side of the tab. And you press both simultaneously and push forward. And voila, comes right off. Comes right off. And you click on this little tab underneath. And it comes right off. You put your button in and vice versa.